Well, I always never reveal the name starting off my intro. You know that, right? So for suspense, always I keep it. But she's an upcoming artist, and very soon we'll see her in Telugu cinema. She already done a lot of movies, web series in Bollywood, in Tamil, in Malayalam. Now her time starts now with Telugu cinema. Who is she? What's she doing during her shoot time? She's in shooting time right now, so I've got some time to interact with her. So what she's doing in her dubbing and studio, secretly I'm going, and I'll tell you who is she. So you want to know? Come. Oh, the door has to go like this. Here is she. Come, 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 my camera. There is she. Malvi Malhotra. Hi. The beautiful, upcoming, new, fresh face, and dashing with her new acting skills. So you're shooting or what? You're doing what?
I'm shooting for a film, Tiragra Badra Sami. I think today is the last day.
So I think you have some scenes here. I think that's why in between
we have to shoot in this office.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you were doing some rehearsals of your
I
dialogue.
was reading my script on my iPad.
So in between I've disturbed you.
No.
That yes, you have to talk to us.
Yes, I would love to.
Even we love to. Welcome to Telugu cinema.
Thank you so much.
They are very big fans of Telugu cinema. They love their artists.
I love Telugu cinema.
Yes. So let's have a small chit chat, your new journey with Telugu cinema, more about it. So let's go and talk about more.
Yes.
You want to come out? So finally, I have take you out of the recording studio. बाहर आ गए हैं. So now peacefully we can.
That's my hideout. जब भी मुझे कुछ नहीं काम होता है, I go and hide out there.
You were hiding.
No, not
From
hiding.
The videos.
Not hiding. I was just reading, and it's a silent place, no, so I can just go through everything silently.
Wow.
No disturbance.
So as you know, we are very excited about your upcoming project. But before that, I want to discover more about you, Malvi Malhotra. From where she comes, what she is, suddenly coming into the Telugu industry or cinema field.
Yeah.
It was always a childhood case, yes, I have to do this. Or what was there in your mind?
I was a theatre artist since childhood. Like I used to do a lot of theatres. मैंने बहुत plays किए हैं Bombay में, Delhi में, and I started my journey from TV. So TV show I've done for a year. उसके बाद एक film आई है मेरी Hotel Milan हिंदी में, OTT में काफ़ी कुछ है Hotstar में. And then I wanted to explore South cinema because I'm very fond of South films, especially Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil. Every cinema is so amazing, and I did a film in Malayalam recently released, Abhyuham, and now Telugu, and now I'm shooting for Tamil also. So it's beautiful.
So but what was your like first एक click होता है ना mind में, yes, I want to be actress, or if not actress, what you were preparing for?
Writer. I am a writer too.
Wow. So I thought you had decided that you have to come in this industry only.
Yeah. I don't think I belong somewhere else because it's the only thing I love and it's my passion. So I will do anything in this industry.
So you were a good student?
I am.
Or a creative student?
I'm an engineer and I'm...
You're an engineer girl, sweet, beautiful girl in Telugu cinema now.
Yeah, I am an engineer and I have done my masters too. And I'm a writer too, and my book is also about to publish.
My God, why all these multitask, yeah? I mean,
yeah, because acting is something which makes me really happy, and I got placed in a Swiss bank, BNP Paribas, where my salary was plus 3
you
lakhs.
Worked. You're talking about where you worked as a banker.
After college, my placement happened, and then after third day, I was like, I can't do this. I have to resign. I resigned my job.
On third day?
On third
day of her job, she resigned.
Yeah, and then I know that I have to do only films. Yeah.
Films, so you were very clear.
Yeah.
Wow, I mean, I've never heard this. Like on third day, you make your decision and decide.
Because I can't sit at one place. I'm very...
This happens.
Yeah.
I can relate to it.
Yeah.
I can understand. So, just tell me, what was your crush of your life, We always in childhood, stand in front of the mirror and you do acts of an actor, whom you have copied a lot.
Madhu
Bala.
I can't even copy her. She's amazing.
Have you tried her expressions?
Yeah, she is. I try to enact Madhubala, Meena Kumari. These are the actresses which inspires me a lot.
You have a
Because
good eyes.
yeah, thank you
Yes.
so much.
So, what expressions were like a song or something you can tell your fans? Show it. Oh, yaad, memory. You used to do it. See, it's a mirror. Now you can try it here. We are giving a chance you to go back to your childhood in front of the mirror.
Yeah, Madhubala, you know, she plays a lot with her eyes,
Yes.
and I like to do that when I get certain kind of roles. So I try to, and her face acts, her body doesn't act.
Yes,
That
yes,
is the
yes,
best
yes,
thing.
yes.
And
What was her? Just give me a glimpse of it. What you were trying most of your time?
okay. Um, there is a song of Madhubala where she's, you know, dancing alone. Acha ji chalo hari ab
मान जाओ
So
ना।
how she does that man
जाओ
jao
ना।
na. So that is something which just
Clicked you.
attracts you so much. So yeah, I try to do that a lot of times.
You were a naughty girl.
Very
किस किस को मुक्के मारे हैं?
very naughty to another level, because
How many boys you have kicked out of your life?
How do you know that? First tell me this. आपको कैसे पता है मैंने ये सब किया हुआ है?
अभी सब पता चलता है पर्सनालिटी से।
Yeah.
मार मुर के बाहर निकली लड़की, चल हट। So how you have done that? Like, is there any movement? Actually, it's a good thing, you know.
Yeah.
You should be brave enough to protect yourself.
It is very important. I think I should tell every woman to learn self-defense and protect yourself, because nobody is going to do that.
Protect you. That's very important.
it
So
is
what was your incident? Give them an inspiration. You got something and मार मुर के आ गए. College time पे.
College time पे भी मतलब so I remember me and my friend, we were walking together, and one guy came and, you know, he pinched my friend.
Oh, it's
And
in college time.
It's in college time, and I didn't know that, and she started crying, and then she's like, you know, this happened. I said, why you are quiet? She said, because what can I do? I said, just let's go back. We went back, and I slapped that guy, and I you know, slapped him 2-3 times, and he was scared and he ran away.
You were not scared, like, you know, that
No.
he'll come back, or, you know.
See, you should always speak out for wrong things, and I think I'm ready to face the consequence, because I can't tolerate nonsense.
Really, a big
Yeah.
hats off to you, really. And I think recently also there was a news that, you know,
Yeah.
उसको भी बड़ा मारवाड़ अच्छा दिखा दिया था. That was
That time I protected myself, but yeah, that was a nightmare.
What was that like?
Some stalker tried to.
You were in
know,
night, you were going.
Yeah, I was walking on the road, and
It's in Mumbai happened.
Yeah, it's in
Okay.
Mumbai, and that person tried to attack me with a knife and all that. So yeah, it was some psychotic people, you know, they just try to follow you, stalk you like that. So it was like that.
So why he's behind you? Didn't try to find out why, like
He
it
wanted
happened?
me to be with him, which I don't know. I don't
Oh my
know
God.
him.
Oh.
It was a crazy person. I don't know him at all.
So how you overcome that, like the safety point of view when you go back to Bombay, or you take precautions? Now it is somewhere have affected, or you have come out very strongly.
I think you have to take precautions, because you can't live your life in fear, but you have to be safe at the same time.
So how you do that? What precaution tips are you taking? We also need to know.
Self-defense for sure.
You have learned with Punjab judo
MMA,
karate.
kickboxing.
You learned all this?
Yeah, I know all that.
Kickboxing. Okay, first thing.
Yeah, MMA also, a bit of MMA, kickboxing, and
One spray, I think chili
yeah,
spray.
pepper spray or tasers are very helpful.
चाकू वाकू नहीं कुछ हम लोग
That is risky.
I know.
Taser, pepper spray is fine. Even my case is eligible for weapon license, but I didn't take it because it's too much.
Yeah.
Not needed. Yeah.
So when you learn these all things after this incident,
No,
or before?
kickboxing I knew earlier also, but MMA I tried to learn after that.
So how you got your first break in Telugu cinema?
Mm,
Who approached you? How it happened?
Okay, so the producer of like the Suraksha Entertainment, sir was in Mumbai. There is one of my friend. He's a music composer, Raj Ashu. So he was there in his office, and I was also there. So suddenly he said that I'm planning to make a film and all that. Raj Tarun is the hero, and they narrated me a gist of the script. So I really liked it.
And what was the role about? Like, what you're doing in this movie, if you reveal it?
This girl is very outspoken, very highly energetic.
That you are in real life.
Yeah,
you can see
actually. So she didn't let the guy speak. She is only talking. She is only proposing. She is doing
That.
everything.
You proposed. That's a good thing.
She is doing everything in the
And
film.
Rajcharan is like very simple.
Very
boy.
simple boy. He's very silent, very decent, and she is the one who is doing everything. And she has a fight scene also in the film.
Oh,
She is
you're
the one
fighting
who-
also. Like
she's doing-
totally the way
Yeah,
we have
proper
to
action scene.
action movie.
Yeah.
That's a lot of things to explore in this movie about you, I
Yeah,
think.
it's very. It has a proper family entertainer, action, romance, comedy.
But
Everything.
in this movie, I see your role more like, is related to your real life
Have you
also.
seen that film, Bomarilu Janiliya?
Yes.
Very similar to that character.
Oh, but in real life also you're like this, na?
Yeah.
Full talkative, explore everything.
Yeah.
And self-defense, fighting. That I think not be a big thing for you. You've
Yes,
already
yes.
been into
I so loved it
self-defense.
because I remember the action director was very scared कि अब इससे कैसे करवाऊंगा लड़की है,
How
that
she will fight.
that
You didn't told him what I've done in my past.
that image was there in their mind that अभी पूरा time लगेगा, now इसको 4-5 घंटे तो सिखाना, that image
was
was
there,
there.
huh?
And when I was doing in one shot, he was very happy. And he was like,
She knows
amazing."
everything, action work.
Yeah, I knew it. Because they think that she's tiny, small, she won't be able to do it. People have that
yes, yes.
image.
But
So-
you just said in the movie you will going to propose. That's your job. Mostly actor propose, right?
Yeah.
In real life, have you proposed to someone?
Never.
You never proposed or somebody proposed you. So
Yeah.
तो बहुत होंगे.
Yeah, but I never did.
Never had a heartbreak.
Not really, but yeah, once it happened.
Who's that loser? Who lost you? Big loser.
Yeah, it happens. Life is like that.
But when we see a positive sides of a person like you, who's full of life, and there is a time comes when you go down also, how you handle that, especially when you are like, not getting what you want in the life, or
Right.
heartbreak or relationships problem or professional
You have
problems.
to be mentally very strong to deal with any situation because life is a roller coaster. It can't be smooth. So you have to you have to ready to face any kind of situation, and you can't just do over things. Like if you are happy, you can't be very happy.
Yes.
And if you are sad, you can't be very sad.
Very
You
sad.
you should know the balance, how to balance things out. That's it.
But I have talked to so many celebrities and actresses. They have always talked about their weak point. अरे तुम्हारा तो ये अच्छा नहीं था, तुम्हारा तो, और वही चीज को लेके
Yeah.
they have showed up.
Yeah.
So when you were just starting off your career, somebody do, your nose is not good, or this is
Yeah.
Have you been got these kind of criticism, aura of criticism you've been?
Yeah, a lot of people, but I take criticism as a positivity because मुझे लगता है कि अगर someone is criticizing you, that means that person wants them to correct you that thing.
But
Some people-
sometimes criticism I just for they take it, they want to criticize you.
So if it is a positive criticism, I will take it. If it is a negative,
So what was
I
the
just ignore.
criticism I don't see any criticism. Still somebody has guts to do that.
Yeah,
What
people.
they-
Some people say that you're short, you're tiny. So all these things, I have been rejected from a lot of roles because of height. So these are the things, but I'm fine with it.
The biggest project you got rejected, you would like to reveal? You feel that, just because of height?
I auditioned for a Netflix show. It's an international show for Netflix where they wanted some Indian actors too. The director was also from Hollywood.
Oh.
Everything was finalized. Everything was done. The only thing I got rejected because the actor was very tall and I was very short. So, yeah, this happened.
This happened. That was okay. So I think the destiny wanted you to be more in Telugu.
Yeah.
A big star coming
Big star
up.
coming up.
And the first interview with Neha.
Yeah.
So the journey has to go in a long way,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, okay, you're in Hyderabad, we have a lot of monsoons coming up, so let's go out in the balcony
Yeah, let's
and
go.
we can just talk about something on the fitness side,
Yes.
what you do in monsoon type. Little bit, just have
Okay.
we can have a fresh air. I
Yeah.
think you're getting hot.
I'm sweaty.
Sweating. See? So, such a beautiful face. What's the actually a fitness or precaution or tips you take care? Of course, you are a natural beauty. So basically, in your daily routine, what
Yeah.
is your daily routine like to take care of your face or your skin?
Skincare I do. I apply vitamin C, moisturizer. I keep it hydrated, and I think drink a lot of water.
Especially when monsoons comes, how it like
Monsoons mein-
affects you, or what monsoon mean for you?
I get very scared when I get pimples, so I try to drink a lot of water, do yoga, or gym, like dance. I do all these things, and apart from that, just eat good food, eat right food. I'm a vegetarian, so I generally eat a lot of greens, and yeah.
So when rain comes, you feel like going out and play
I
with
love
the
dancing
rain.
in rain.
Really?
I love-
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I
with
just love
what
dancing.
first songs comes to your mind?
Chum chum chum.
Chum chum.
That is the thing which I think एक बार मैंने किया था.
Okay, when
Rain
you
dance.
did, like normally.
Yeah,
when the
generally
rain.
chilling in rain.
Chilling, or you don't feel like take a umbrella and do some chaat masala or pakode?
Recently, अभी बॉम्बे में I just went, took an umbrella and just walking and hopping restaurants. एक restaurant से निकली, वहाँ पे कुछ खाया, then went to another restaurant and I was hopping and walking in rain.
So you just have your street food monsoon में.
Yeah,
You
I
love
sometimes
experimenting with the street food.
Yeah.
डर नहीं लगता है कि मतलब people always think अरे actress है, she
No,
must not be eating much of food.
I eat a lot. People think that she don't eat, but I eat a lot of food. But yeah, I work out also, so it
That's a
balances
good
out.
thing. So before coming to this Telugu industry, how much you were aware about this industry or actors? If we talk about, name them few.
Telugu everyone knows globally.
But you know, I mean, how much
Yeah,
you know? Like
I know
actors, if you love their work or
I like Allu Arjun a lot. He's amazing.
you're already
actor.
getting a calls from them. Right?
Would love to.
Huh? So I can next movie with Allu Arjun.
Manifest.
Okay, good. So Allu Arjun, okay.
Yeah.
What do you
and
love him about most about?
His dance, his act. I think everything. He is the perfect in everything.
So you know
yeah.
about him very well.
Yeah, not know him personally, but I know
yes,
his work. Yes.
That South mein he's a big star.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
next?
I think Mahesh Babu is good,
Okay.
NTR, Ram Charan, they all are amazing
So have you
actors.
seen their movies?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Hindi dubbed or something?
I watch in Telugu only with subtitles.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you just telling me, very good thing that you for your Tamil and Malayali movie, you try
Yeah.
to dub yourself. How you do that?
Not dub, but I say my dialogues properly with the proper lip sync so
Okay.
that whoever dubs for me, they don't have any issue while dubbing.
Okay.
And people will also notice the lip is coming proper.
yeah.
Even in Malayalam, which I did recently, in that my dialogues, I've seen a proper lip sync. So
Oh.
I used to chew my dialogues and used to say it. So it looks more authentic when people see it. ऐसा नहीं लगता कुछ भी बोला है और पीछे से डब चल रहा है.
I know.
It should not look
And
like
Telugu
that.
also you tried like.
Yeah, I said all my dialogues.
So you remember
in my
any?
introduction scene in this film, Trilga Badrasamy had like 4-page dialogue, and I
Oh.
said it, the whole thing.
All
and
crew will be shocked like, no, the actor and everybody.
And the best part, I should not the best part, it's the worst thing. I remember the whole script and whenever I used to go on set, my director used to change the dialogue. I was like, what is this? I had to unlearn the dialogues which I have learned and then learn the new one. It was a challenge, but he did it for the betterment of the film. So
It's a journey, a Himachal girl from Bombay, then coming to Hyderabad and doing her own Telugu dialogue. So do you remember any words of Telugu you would like to say to your fans?
yeah, I love Naru.
Okay, so cute.
Bagunara.
Bagunara, so sweet.
Yeah.
So all days when you go to the like shoots or sets, everybody is talking in Telugu. Do you find anything difficult?
No,
or do you become
I'm very
friendly more?
familiar to like people used to say like kurcho means sit,
Sit.
chepu, talk. So these are very very basic I understand.
So how was your experience in your set? Like you were shooting with Telugu cinema.
Yeah.
Like is any kind of funny incidents happen sometimes with Raj Tarun or with like team?
Okay. Funny,
happens?
Funny. Everything, we had a lot of fun on the set.
Okay.
But I think the climax is very interesting in this film and and my fight sequence and my introduction scene. These three things I am really looking forward to. And during shoot, my director used to teach me bad words in Telugu.
Okay.
Ari papa, chal do me, and all these things.
Okay.
All these things
Okay.
he used to teach me. So I used to tell these things to everyone. Nobody used to mind. So yeah, that was like fun moment on the set.
So you love being here in Telugu cinema.
It feels like very homely, very familiar, and people also very nice here. They treat you like a family.
So till now, have you met any of your fan moment happen? Maybe in Bollywood or Tollywood?
yeah,
Whom
here
you want to
people-
meet, we always have a fan moment. Your fan
Actually,
moment has,
what happened? I was here only, and I think Mahesh Babu's house is nearby. So once
Okay.
I just asked the driver to take me out for a juice. We picked up a juice, and then he said, "I'll show you Mahesh Babu's house." I said, "Okay, let's go."
Huh.
And I was in producer's car, and suddenly we stopped outside Mahesh Babu's house, and he was coming out.
Oh.
And I said hi, he said hi, and he stopped talking to me. He stopped 10 minutes talking to me.
You talked to Mahesh Babu for 10
Yeah.
minutes, your fan moment, wow.
Yeah, and I didn't even, and
He
the driver-
recognized you as an actor?
No, but he thought that there is some actor and who stopped outside my house, and he was very nice talking to me, and I was so dumb I didn't even stepped out of the car, and driver was like, "Why didn't you click picture?" I said I was talking to him. I was having a
So
conversation.
what he said, like he's coming, I just want to know, that's wonderful.
He just said, I said I'm doing this film and all that. He said all the best and all that. So just normal conversation happened.
You actually thought like, okay, he'll come and you know,
No.
it was your fan moment, right?
Yeah, I was not expecting. He just went to show me the house.
You went there to his house?
No.
Okay.
We were just talking
Okay,
outside.
okay. So like the driver just, okay, Mahesh Babu dikhata and you got Mahesh Babu.
He wanted to show me Mahesh Babu's house, and I met Mahesh Babu.
You're so lucky girl.
Yeah.
So I think now you can go for any house and they will come out. Any big actor you want to meet.
Yeah.
They will
And one more thing I want to tell you that my character in this film is a crazy fan of Balakrishna.
Okay.
You will see a fun element in this film.
So you are playing a biggest fan of Balakrishna.
The girl in this film,
Huh.
the character in this film, is a crazy fan of Balakrishna.
Have you met him?
No,
Have you heard about him?
I know about him, but I love playing his fan in the film.
See, if you're a fan, you have to act something. So have you doing something
I
funny?
did Jai Balia, Jai Balia. Bale Babu sexy.
Oh.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Bale Babu
So
sexy.
sweet. I think we should make a reel of this. Yeah, boy, I just love this.
Yeah, I did that.
I think Balak sir will definitely see this. Of course, in a movie you are doing this.
Yeah.
But in real life, I think you should go and see his house. He'll also come out. Would you like to go and see his house now? You have not got a time.
No.
Met him. You would love to meet him. Have you
Yeah,
seen his movies?
I would love to meet him.
Have you seen his movies?
I think our director Ravi Kumar Chaudhary has done a film with Bala sir, so I think I've seen few chunks of it.
So you are a good singer also, I know.
No.
No?
No.
A one line for your fans. Telugu mein you want to try something? Your movie song?
Not really. I am not so familiar right now, but later maybe in some other interview I will.
So one line, Hindi? With the monsoon आता है या कुछ आ जाता है, then you feel like doing.
Okay. लग जा गले
Wow.
कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो
Wow.
न हो. Thank you.
So I think the three qualities which you want from your partner, upcoming, who want a girl like Malvika in their life, how they need to approach you? What three qualities?
Okay. First thing, never lie to me.
Yes.
Second thing, be transparent. And third, good looks.
Or maybe from other,
He has to be cute for sure.
but
Yeah.
not being, it's compulsory should be actor or you know
No,
some.
not really.
That doesn't make any.
No.
So right now you have any crush? Are you mingle to single?
No, not.
I'm single to mingle.
I'm single and I'm ready to mingle.
Mingle. Really, I had a wonderful time with you.
Thank
so
you,
just
thank
one message to yourself and to your fans.
My film Triagrabhadra Sami is coming, I think this month end or maybe next month, releasing very soon. So please guys, do watch this film in theaters, and lots of love to all of you.
Message to yourself.
Message to myself. Okay.
Do more Telugu movies.
Do more Telugu movies. Do a lot of Telugu movies, and Telugu audience should love me.
Yes, they will. Thank you so much. I had a wonderful
Thank you.
time with you.
Yeah.
I think एक कभी कुछ plan किया, मतलब कोई step of your life.
Step. As such, I don't generally. I just do any dance, not like really. But yeah, according to choreography, I do. But when I'm just chilling, I do anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
So अगर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाए मालविका को, what step she'll do?
Bhangra.
Bhangra. Okay, anyway, we love talking to you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
giving
thank
to
you,
and
thank
best
you
of
so
luck
much.
for your
Thank
for
you.
your movies and more interviews with
Yes.
iDream.
Yes.
Okay, that was a wonderful chit chat with Malvi Malhotra. Keep watching iDream for more updates. Till then, goodbye.
Hi, this is Malvi Malhotra, and please subscribe to iDream Media, and you guys rock.